dog's skin gets sticky after a while? Well, I can fix that problem in 8 easy steps. The supplies you'll need will be a dog brush. I have just a simple dog brush and one especially for their ears, and I'll pass this around. You'll need ear cleaner. I have 2 types. I have this ear powder and this ear wash. You'll need a dog toothbrush. I have just, this one's especially for dogs. I got it from my local dog store. You'll need dog shampoo. I just use this little baby shampoo because it's gentle on the dog's skin and it's not as expensive as fancy ones. And a towel.
Okay, boys and girls, if you don't get something, that's fine. Don't scream across the room. They'll be displayed back here after her presentation. Okay, go ahead.
Step 1, brush your dog. Praise your dog as you're brushing it. You want to praise your dog because they can sometimes get a little squirmy. Give breaks as needed. You want to give breaks as needed so that they don't feel uncomfortable. And cut out mats that can't be brushed out. And mats are just really tough for hair to cut. Just tangle up. Step 1, brush your dog. I have a basic dog brush. Oh, by the way, this is Ellie. And then I have a brush for her ears. Step 2, clear her eyes. In this video, I just used a baby one. Step 2, clear your dog's eyes. You want to clear your dog's eyes because, well, I am. I'm going to use a baby one. No. Stay. Hey! Stop! Right. There we go. And we're all done with this step. Step 3. Clear your dog's ears. You want to clear your dog's ears because they can easily get an infection, and that can be painful for the dog. Now, we're going to use this ear wash, which cleans up dog's ears from all that dirt. Clean up the drops. And then massage it into her ear. And then you're going to take a towel and put your finger like that. And then clean out her ear. See all that dirt? Now, we're going to use this ear powder. And it sucks up all the moisture because some moisture might have bacteria in it. So you don't want your dog to have bacteria on it. Step 4. Brush your dog's teeth. because just like our teeth, they can easily run away, and it can have a lot of pain, and it'll be hard for them to eat. No, don't eat the toothbrush. No. There we go. These are actions. You don't have to do them, but you can. You can clip your dog's nails because if they get too long, when they walk around, it'll be painful for the dog because their nails will be pushing in. You can put a if you're using a tub, I would suggest putting a non-slip surface on the bottom of it so your dog doesn't slip and it can hurt itself. And you can pre-fill the tub with warm water. In the next steps video, I didn't use warm water because it was a really hot day that day, so it'd feel cool for the dog. And you want to secure the dog in wherever you're washing it because you don't want to be running around on each step. Step 5, soak your dog. You want to soak your dog because that's the only way you can lather the shampoo. Now you want to soak your dog. You would usually use warm water, but since it's hot in the summer, the cool water feels good. And there we go. Step 6, shampoo your dog. You want to shampoo your dog because that's the only way you can get the dirt off. The next step, step 6, is to shampoo your dog. And I have this nice rubber scrubber. You also want to use your hands so that it feels nice. Step 7, rinse your dog. You want to rinse your dog because the shampoo will dry and it can feel really weird for the dog and they might get uncomfortable. And they can also get dandruff and their hair will get really stiff. Make sure to keep that hydrated. Also, Step 8, dry your dog. You want to wipe off when you dry your dog. You want to wipe off as much water as you can. When you're getting out the water from your dog's ears, make sure that you sweep too. Good. Good. You can tell. You can put your name on the doggy breathe. It's hard work, but in the end you get a clean, fluffy dog. This is what I imagine my dog would say. Since I put up with you this whole time, I deserve a treat. Give me a treat now. Sit.
pig